66 million years ago, the reign of the dinosaurs, creatures that ruled the Earth for over 160 million years, came to a sudden, violent end. But what really wiped them out? Most of us grew up hearing one story. An asteroid, 6 miles wide, slammed into Earth, and everything changed. But what if that's not the whole truth? What if the asteroid was just the final blow, and a much deeper chain of disasters was already at play? Around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, creating the Chicxulub crater, over 150 kilometers wide. The impact released energy equal to 10 billion Hiroshima bombs. Skies turned to fire. Waves hundreds of meters tall crashed across the planet. Dust and sulfur filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months, maybe years. Global temperatures plunged. Photosynthesis stopped. And in the darkness, almost 75% of all life on Earth vanished. That's the story we've all heard. But scientists now believe there's more to it. At the same time the asteroid struck, something else catastrophic was happening on the other side of the planet, in what is now India. Massive volcanic eruptions, known as the Deccan Traps, were spewing out millions of cubic kilometers of lava. These eruptions lasted for nearly a million years, releasing enough carbon dioxide and sulfur to completely disrupt Earth's climate. Some scientists believe these volcanoes had already weakened the planet's ecosystems before the asteroid ever hit. Imagine Earth already struggling to breathe, and then the asteroid finishes the job. Volcanoes released carbon dioxide, which caused global warming. Oceans acidified. Then the asteroid hit, throwing more dust and sulfur into the air, triggering global cooling. From extreme heat to freezing cold, all within a few thousand years. For plants and animals adapted to stable climates, this was chaos. Food chains collapsed. Seas became toxic. And dinosaurs, already stressed, couldn't survive these rapid changes. The asteroid may have been the final trigger, but it was part of a much larger chain reaction. In recent years, scientists have uncovered new evidence that changes our understanding even more. Tiny glass spheres called tektites, found in the same layers as dinosaur fossils, show how violently the asteroid melted Earth's crust. But beneath those layers, chemical signatures reveal increased mercury, a telltale sign of massive volcanic activity. This means the Deccan Traps were erupting before the impact. The asteroid didn't start the extinction, it just made survival impossible. Some researchers even argue that the asteroid's shock waves could have triggered more volcanic eruptions, speeding up Earth's collapse. So maybe it wasn't one event, but a deadly combination of fire, ash, and chaos. Not all life vanished that day. Small mammals, crocodiles, birds, and certain reptiles made it through. Why? Because they were small, adaptable, and could survive on less. The giant dinosaurs, however, dependent on vast food networks, couldn't handle the dark, frozen world left behind. And so, one of Earth's most successful species disappeared forever, paving the way for mammals, and eventually, us. The extinction of the dinosaurs wasn't a single explosion in time. It was a planetary collapse, a perfect storm of cosmic impact, volcanic fury, and shifting climates. But without that extinction, humans might never have existed. Sometimes, endings are just beginnings in disguise.